Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. In last session, we see the comparison of like and unlike decimals. Okay. So today we see the addition of decimals. So see here, this is a question from your exercise 5.4. The decimals are given 48.712, 32.415 plus 12.213. Okay, so first step you have to arrange all the decimals in column. 48.712 plus 32.415 plus 12.213. Okay, now you have to add all the decimal. So first step you have to check that all the decimals are like or unlike. So these are like or unlike decimal. So after decimal point here are how many digit? 1, 2, 3. After decimal point here how many digit? 1, 2, 3. Here also after decimal point here are 3 digit. Means after decimal point there are 3 digit in every decimal number. So these are all like decimals. So this is so simple. So you have to add all the numbers. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 2 3 4. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 2 13. Okay, so 1 carry over and put this decimal point here. Okay, so 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 2 13. Again 1 carry over. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. So here we get the answer. Thus 48.712 plus 32.415 plus 12.213 is equal to 93.340. This is your answer. Okay, so this is your first question. Now see, suppose the points given are unlike decimal. Suppose the question is, now I take the question, that is a B number. Okay, see here 72.18 plus 45.54 plus 54. Okay, so first step for you have to remember, first you have to make a like decimal. So here 78 point, after decimal point here are how many digit? 1 2 digit. Okay, again 42.54. again here are, you have to write here like decimal. Okay, see these are like decimal. Again here after decimal point here are 2 digit, but here is whole number. Okay, here is no decimal point, so you have to put the decimal point and add 20. Now we get all these three are like decimal. Now you have to add the number 72.18, 45.54 plus 54.00. 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7. Now you have to put this decimal point as it is. Okay, then 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 4 11. Okay, so 11, 1 carry over, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 5 17. So we get the answer 171.72. Again you have to write the whole step. 78.18 plus 45.54 plus 54 is equal to 171.72. This is your answer. Okay, so this is question B. Now see, this is last question. Okay, H number from exercise 5.4. Okay, so here decimals are, first you have to check the decimals are like decimals or unlike decimals. So these are all like decimals. Okay, so you have to simply write all the numbers. Okay, there is no need to convert into like decimal. See here after decimal point how many digit? 1 2 3. Here how many digit? 1 2 3. After decimal point here 1 2 3 digit. After decimal 1 2 3 digit. So you have to write all the, arrange all the number in column, and then you have to add all these number. 18. See here how to write the number. This is single digit, ones place, but here is tens place. Okay, 125. Here is now 100 place. So you have to write this number as it is. Okay, so here you have to write 723.981. Now add this all number. यहाँ पे आपको रिमेंबर सी हियर इज द टेंस प्लेस, सो यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर लाइक दिस. हियर इज 100 प्लेस, so you have to write the number 100 place. Okay, now you have to add the number 5 plus 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carrier, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 7, 7 plus 8 15, 1 carrier, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 10 20, 23, 2 carrier, and this decimal point you have to put here. Then 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 8 13 plus 8 we get 21, 21 plus 4 24, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, and 7. So here we get the answer 754.350. So last step you have to write, hence write all the digit is equal to your answer. Okay, in this way. Now see, now this is one more example from 5.4 F number. Okay, this here, these are unlike decimals. See, after decimal point here is 1 digit, here after decimal here are 2 digit, and here again after decimal point 2 digit. So first step you have to make a like decimal. Like decimals are 181.1. Here is 1 digit, so you have to put one more 0. Now here we get 2 digit after decimal point. 132, okay, 0.22. Then next 17 point plus after decimal point 1990. Now you have to arrange all the decimal number in column. 181.10, 132.22 plus 17.19. Now add the number 7, 11, 1 carrier, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. We have to put the decimal point as it is. 3 plus 7 10, 1 carrier, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, 1 carrier, and this is, we get the answer 330.51. Thus 181.1 plus 132.22 plus 17.90, we get the answer 330.51. 51, not 51. Okay, in this way you have to add the number. Now you have to do the subtraction. Now see, this is question from exercise 5.4. 183.45 minus 81 minus 2. First step you have to make a like decimal. Like decimals, which are the like decimals? Here after decimal point how many digit? 2 digit. But here after decimal point is 1 digit. So you have to make a like decimal by putting one more 0. 183.45 minus 81.2. Here is 1 digit. So you have to add one more 0. Now you have to arrange the number in column and then do the subtraction. 81. Okay. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 2, we get 2. Now you have to put the decimal point. Then 3 minus 1, we get 2. 8 minus 1, we get 0 and 1. So here we get the answer 102.25. So write here answer. Thus 183.45 minus 81.2, we get answer 102.25. This is your answer. One more example you have to take. See here, this is question E number. Okay, 927 minus 432.81. So first step, again same, you have to make a like decimal. So here is no decimal point. Okay, so here is no decimal point. So you have to add after decimal point how many numbers? Digit, 1 2 digit. So 927, you have to put the decimal point and add 2 0. So here after decimal point we get here 2 digit. minus 432.81. Okay, now you have to subtract this. 432.81. Now see here, 0 minus 1 not possible. Again here are 0, so you have to borrow from 7. So here we get 6, here we get now 10. Again we borrow from 10, here we get 9 and here we get 10. 10 minus 1 we get 9, 9 minus 8 we get 1. Now you have to put the decimal point after 2 digit. So see here, digit. 6 minus 2 we get 4, 2 minus 3 again not possible, so again borrow from 9. So here we get 8. 12 minus 3 we get 9, 8 minus 4 we get 4. So our answer is thus 927 minus 432.81 is equal to 494.19. This is your answer. Okay, so this is question number E. Now see in this question, H number, your question is 72.13 minus 49. So first step again same, you have to make a like decimal. So write like decimals is equal to 72.13. After decimal point how many digit? 2 digit. Here is no decimal point, so you have to add one more point and put 20. Now we get both are like decimal. See here, after decimal point 2 digit, here after decimal point 2 digit. Now you have to subtract the number. 49.00. 3 minus 0 3, 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 9 not possible, so we borrow from 7. 12 minus 9 we get 3 and 6 minus 4 we get 2. Okay, in this way you have to solve the question number H. Okay, we get the answer 13. See here, this is question 3 from exercise 5.4. From the sum of 127.78 and 38.57, subtract 57.932. Okay, so sum of, so question is sum of 127.78 and 38.57. So first you have to add these two numbers. So first step you have to make a like decimal. So what is the after decimal point? Here are 2 digit and here again 2 digits. So here is no need to make a like decimal. You directly add these 2 digit or 2 decimal number, 38.57. See, remember this places, 100 place. Here is tens place. So write the number properly. 8 plus 7, 15, 1 carry over. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry over. Here is before 2 decimal, before 2 digit, here is a decimal point, so you have to put the decimal point. 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carry over. 3 plus 3, 6 and 1. So we get the answer 166. Subtract. Now next step is subtract 57.932. So subtract 57.932 from which number? This. We get this answer. So write the number 166.35. Arrange the number 165. And here is after decimal point. Here are how many digit? 1, 2, 3 digit. But here are after decimal point 2 digit. So first step you have to make a like digit by putting one more 0. Minus 57.932. See here is 100 place, here is tens place. Okay, so 10 minus, here is 0 minus 2 not possible, so we borrow from 5. 10 minus 2 we get 8, 4 minus 3 we get 1, 3 minus 9 again not possible, so we borrow from 6. So here we get 5 and 13 minus 9 we get 4. Now you have to put the decimal point because here before 3 digit here is decimal point, so you have to put the decimal point. 5 minus 7 again not possible, so again borrow from 6. So here we get 15 minus 7 we get 8, 5 minus 5 we get 0 and 1. So your answer is thus, you have to write sum, write all the question, sum of 100 from the sum of 127.78 and 38.57. when we subtract 57.932, we get the answer 108.418. Okay, in this way you have to write the answer. Same way you have to solve the remaining question. See here. Here again, from 78.12, subtract the sum of 18.2, 18.2 and 13.17. So first number is given from, this is greater number, you have to subtract the sum of, so you have to add these two number first. Okay, you have to do the addition of these two number by making like decimal, then subtract from this number. Then subtract the sum of 92.37 and 131.92 from the sum of, from के बाद जो भी नंबर आएगा वो क्या रहेगा, ग्रेटर नंबर. ओके, सो अभी हमें क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट द सम. तो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट डू दी सब्ट्रैक्शन. ये ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमें जो आंसर मिलेगा वो किससे, अगेन यू हैव टू डू दी सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस टू नंबर, सॉरी, सम एडिशन ऑफ दिस टू नंबर. ओके, सो हियर वी गेट 7 + 8 9, 9 + 3 we get 12, 1 carry over, this is decimal point. 9 3 + 1 4, 9 + 2 11, 1 carry over, 214, and the sum of these two number here is unlike decimal, so you have to put one more 0 here and add these two numbers. 0 + 9 9, 2 + 1 3, 5 + 7 how much, 5 + 7 12, 1 carry over, 3 + 1 4, 4 + 8 12, 1 carry over 3. So here the addition of these two digit we get this number, and this the addition of these two number we get this number. Then you have to subtract 214.29 from 322.39. Okay, and again see last question is again same, add the difference of, okay, 65.53 and 38.92. See question, first you have to do the difference between these two number. Okay, here you have to do the subtraction, जो भी आपका आंसर मिलेगा, then you have to add this number to this decimal number. Okay, so first you have to do the subtraction, then do the addition. इसका जो आंसर आएगा वो और this number you have to add. Okay, in this way you have to complete the exercise 5.4 in your notebook. Okay, this is your today's homework. Thank you.